Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get blurry background on your photo like in DSLR camera with your Android phone camera. Okay, first of all, open your camera application on your Android phone. This is my camera application, so I'm going to tap on it to open the camera. Okay, and to get the blurry background, we have to tap on the portrait option. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you are satisfied with how it looks, and you can manage how blurry you want it to be right here. And after you are satisfied, you can take a picture by clicking on this circle button. Alright guys, and now let's just take a look at the results. So I'm going to open my gallery application. Then I'm going to open my camera. Okay, and this is the result. I'm going to open it. Okay, and that's how we can blur background like DSLR camera on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.